Christmas at Canary Wharf, Part 2. During the Christmas season, the triangular-shaped roof of One Canada Square becomes a festive highlight. The public spaces and walkways are decorated with intricate light installations. These can range from simple string lights wrapped around trees and lampposts to elaborate light sculptures and tunnels that visitors can walk through. Several large Christmas trees are prominently displayed throughout Canary Wharf. These trees are often adorned with thousands of lights, ornaments, and other festive decorations, serving as focal points for holiday celebrations. Each tree is uniquely decorated, often with themes that reflect the spirit of the season. The decorations include a mix of traditional elements like baubles, tinsel, and ribbons, as well as modern and creative touches. During the Christmas season, Jubilee Park is adorned with festive decorations, twinkling lights, holiday-themed displays, and sometimes even a Christmas tree transform the park into a festive haven. Jubilee Park is known for its beautiful landscaping featuring a variety of trees, plants, and water features. The park provides a serene escape with its grassy lawns, benches, and pathways, making it a popular spot for both relaxation and socializing. The park was designed by the architectural firm Jacques & Partners, with landscape architects from the team led by Works International. It was designed to provide a green, tranquil space amidst the bustling urban environment of Canary Wharf. This is the Submergence. It is a light installation created by the UK-based arts collective Squid Soup. The installation features thousands of individual points of suspended light, creating a dynamic and immersive experience for visitors. This lights installation is designed to create a dynamic visual experience through the use of rotating lights. These lights are often arranged in patterns or structures that spin, casting intricate and mesmerizing patterns of light and shadow. These circle spinning lights are accompanied by a soundscape that enhances the immersive experience. The sounds are usually harmonious and designed to complement the movement of the lights. The festival draws visitors from all over London and beyond, bringing increased foot traffic to the area. This is beneficial for local businesses and helps to create a lively and vibrant community atmosphere. Geist is an innovative and immersive light installation that has been featured at various events and festivals around the world, including the Winter Lights Festival at Canary Wharf. This installation, created by the internationally renowned art collective Marshmallow Laser Feast, combines cutting-edge technology with artistic creativity to create a truly unique experience for viewers.